Look how painful this is. This is Abdul searching for components in a giant warehouse, lots of racks, lots of shelving. We really don't know where these parts are. Oh, here comes Andy. He knows where everything is. But wait a second, he has to think about it, and he's not immediately sure where he keeps that component. Okay, let's follow Andy on his normal route where he checks every area to see what components they need. Notice that he's not carrying a clipboard because he's memorizing everything. And every time Andy goes into an assembly area or a workstation, he risks disrupting people and getting in their way. Keep in mind that this is a long trip around the factory, and if you're backing someone up, you may not be doing this all the time, and you're at great risk for forgetting something. Now I'm going to walk you through the process of creating a Kanban card on our Quantum Lean website. It's super easy. I've sped the film up twice as fast just so you don't have to watch me typing. But as you can see, we prompt you for each piece of information, one step at a time, contact information, then we upload an image because we always want pictures on our Kanban cards and our labels. And then we have our inventory location. If you have a rack and shelf, that's great. If not, you can leave those blank. And then we calculate your reorder point and your reorder quantity based on the questions about safety, stock, and vendor performance. And then at the very end, we prompt you to upload another image, which could be a QR code, which takes you right to the website. And that's it. Voila. New Kanban card in less than 2 minutes. Super easy to do the right thing at the right time. So now we have a new 2-bin Kanban process at assembly. When you take the empty bin out, you pull the full bin forward, take the Kanban card, and deliver it to the Kanban acrylic envelope for Andy to pick up. And when you pick up the Kanban card, the answer is where the question is. We show the rack and the shelf where the item is stored, and when you take that Kanban card to your component storage area, it makes it super easy to find. And when you get to that rack and shelf area, all you have to do is hold up the Kanban card and you can match the picture to the shelf label because they're exactly the same. When the water spider is replenishing the components, they just make sure that that Kanban card goes in the front of that second bin again, and the process starts all over.